To fix Apple Pay Later not showing up, start by ensuring you have the latest version of iOS installed on your device. Apple Pay Later is only available on iOS 16.4 or later. So if you have not updated your operating system, do so now. Next, check if Apple Pay Later is available in your region. Apple Pay Later is currently available in the United States, and it may not be available in other countries. If you have confirmed that your device and location support Apple Pay Later, check your Wallet app to see if it is enabled. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, and look for Apple Pay Later. If you do not see it, tap Continue. Then tap Add Apple Pay Later. If Apple Pay Later is still not showing up, try restarting your device. This can often resolve issues with apps and services not appearing as they should. Check your Apple ID settings to ensure that you are using the correct Apple ID and that it is verified. Sign in to your Apple ID account. Go to Account Settings and verify your email address and phone number. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try removing and re-adding your credit or debit card associated with Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app, tap on the card you want to remove, then tap the three dots and select Remove this card. After removing the card, try adding it back to see if Apple Pay Later becomes available. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues with Apple Pay Later not showing up, contact Apple support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance.